Wanting to stay close to the magic but not feeling those Disney prices? Well, don't rule out the Walt Disney World Good Neighbor hotels. I had good luck with the Radisson Lake Buena Vista and only a stone's throw away from Disney Springs. Room tour for the Radisson Good Neighbor Disney Hotel. I was very impressed. I actually booked this on Priceline, believe it or not. Name your own price. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I mean no more than $130 a night, but it's absolutely amazing. 2 queen beds, both sleep number. I just woke up, so that one's a little messy, but this one wasn't used last night. And apparently they all come with another one. I mean, there's a full-size bed inside of that couch right there, so pull that out. So I guess this room would technically sleep 6 on the furniture, maybe even a rollaway bed somewhere else, but very, very spacious. Nice view. That's I-4. At the Marriott Walt Disney World right there. Gaylord Palms just out there. That one right there. We'll pan over here just a little bit. Way back there in the distance, way off in the distance, you can see the Old Town, Sky Coaster, stuff like that. Way off in the distance, way, way, way out there. But not bad, right here next to the Giftland. A lot of people have seen that on I-4, with the big wizard or something on the building. Something ridiculous. Walt Disney World casting right there. You can see the roof of Planet Hollywood. There's the Wyndham at Disney Springs and the Bee Resort. So yeah, definitely a nice view. And yeah, very comfortable beds. The beds were amazing. The television, I guess probably about a, I guess a 42. It actually has stereo surround sound. I was blown away. I never stayed at a hotel, and I stay at many. Stereo surround sound, pretty amazing. And you got your coffee maker, which I didn't use. I was kind of scared to use that stuff at hotels like this. I don't know if they're going to charge me for it. Fridge, your basic fridge. A couple bottles of water that I'm sure they'll charge you probably $5 a piece for. In-room dining they do have. Bathroom, again, it's pretty messy. I just got done taking a shower, but very nice. Very well lit. Nice shower, great pressure. Like a marble floor or something like that. It's pretty nice. I liked it. But anyway, this is the Radisson, just right across the street from Disney Springs. And I booked it on Priceline, $130 a night.